overnight, partly cloudy. Has issued severe Thunderstorm Watch number 74, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Stark and Wayne, and the following nearshore into Conneaut, Ohio to Ripley, New York, and Geneva on the Lake to Conneaut, Ohio beyond 5 miles. The National Weather Service has issued severe Thunderstorm Watch number 74. Thunderstorm Watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, Lorraine, Medina, Portage, and Summit, and the following marine locations, Eva, Point, Conneaut, and Lake Erie, Geneva on the Conneaut weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, severe internet sources for the latest severe weather information for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe Thunderstorm Watch number 74 has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorraine, Medina, Portage, and Summit, and the following marine locations: Ava, Point to Conneaut, and Lake Erie from Geneva on the Lake to Conneaut beyond 5 miles from shore. This is NOAA Weather.
Wow, wow, wow.